Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com Dr. Vet channel. You can see more videos on animal disease and veterinary medicine on this channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. We have seen the general thing about the navel ill. Now here in part 3, we concentrate on omphalitis. We see introduction, diagnosis, and treatment aspect. This is the important bacterial disease frequently occurring in the field. We concentrate more here on specific aspect of phthalitis. It is an inflammation of the peripheral parts of the umbilicus. We have already seen the structure of the umbilicus. Generally, the infection and inflammation occurs after birth within 2 to 5 days of the birth and frequently continues for some week in the birth. The omphalitis is the most common in a newborn of all species but very commonly observed in calves. Clinical signs of omphalitis. It is visualized that there is great enlargement of the umbilicus. The inflammation is observed at the umbilicus. The umbilicus or navel portion is swollen, it is hard, it is hot, very painful, edematous. Omphalitis is a closed inflammation or it may be a open draining fluid through a fistulous tract. So both can be possible. In omphalitis, the inflammation is closed one or a fistulous tract discharging the purulent fluid to the outside. The infection and inflammation produce subacute toxemia and calf shows the signs of toxemia. There is moderate depression, there is weakness, the newborn is unable to suck the milk, and fever is observed because of the bacterial infection and inflammation. Diagnosis of omphalitis. The clinical signs: swelling at the navel and discharging the fluid to physical tract is sufficient to provide a diagnosis. The inflammation is either closed or open fistula discharging pus. On long-standing cases, bacteriological examination, cultural examination, identification of the bacteria if required, and if required, antibiotic sensitivity test to give the correct treatment. Treatment of omphalitis. It is difficult to treat this omphalitis case. The broad spectrum antibiotics are given for several days until cure. But generally, the treatment is unsuccessful. If there is fever, give antibiotics to reduce the inflammation, advised to give anti-inflammatory drugs. Here the surgical intervention is required. Provide a provisional drainage canal for the discharge of purulent material to the outside. The Omphalitis cases require daily irrigation with antiseptic fluid, removal of the waste material and debris, and antiseptic dressing is required daily. The rewarding thing is the surgery. Explore the affected and infected part and complete surgical excision or removal of that affected or infected part is the perfect solution of the omphalitis. Friends, we have discussed here important points of the omphalitis. Omphalitis is an important disease. Frequently in the field, the doctor gets the cases. For watching more videos, visit our channel youtube.com/Dr. Vet. Share this important information to veterinarians and veterinary students. Press like button. Subscribe to promote the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.